How to embed YouTube video using Canva. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to embed YouTube video on Canva. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and head over to Canva. And here I have created a blank design. So what you want to do first is head over to youtube.com and find the video that you want to embed. So let's say if I want to embed this video right here, I'm just going to right click on it and then copy its link address. Then you just head over to your design, and on the left side of your screen, if you scroll down, you'll find this apps option. Go ahead and click on it. And if you can find your app, you can just scroll down to find embed. But if you don't see it here, what you need to do is search on it and tap on the search bar, search for embed, and you will see the first one right here. So this is the one that you want to use. Go ahead and click on embed, and you can paste your web link right here, the one that you just copied from YouTube, and then click on add to design. So now the YouTube video will be embedded to your Canvas blank page. You can adjust it accordingly, and once you have done that, you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.